Packing for a trip can be overwhelming, but the right bag makes all the difference. This large capacity travel bag is designed to fit everything you need while staying lightweight and easy to carry. Whether you're packing for a weekend getaway, a business trip, or just need an extra bag for daily use, it expands effortlessly to provide extra storage when needed. When you're done, it folds down into a compact size for easy storage, perfect for saving space. Designed for both convenience and durability, it features sturdy handles for a comfortable grip, a secure zipper closure to keep your belongings safe, and a luggage strap that easily attaches to your suitcase for hands-free travel. The reinforced bottom ensures stability, while the water-resistant fabric keeps your items protected from spills or unexpected weather. With multiple compartments for organization, you can easily separate essentials like clothes, shoes, toiletries, and electronics. Whether you're heading to the airport, the gym, or a spontaneous road trip, this stylish and functional travel bag adapts to your needs. Reliable, spacious, and built for adventure. This is the bag that keeps up with you.